It's awesome.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Skin feels wonderful.
Amazing.
Very interesting.
It truly is awesome. I mean, I'm just mesmerized.
Feels good.
Feels good. It's a deal.
One treatment's like 3 months in the gym.
It feels like you're at the gym. The muscles were contracting in a very reproducible way. You feel like you got a good workout.
This is like no other workout I've ever had.
You actually felt like it really was working the muscles.
And did you have any inch loss?
An inch and a half.
I lost an inch on each arm, and look at my stomach. Oh, I'm not kidding. 3 inches maybe? Look. 3 inches. 3 inches.
Inch and a half on the top of my abdomen, another inch in the midsection, and an inch at the waistline near the hip.
That's very amazing. I wouldn't have believed it, but I believe it now.
Try it. It works. It's that simple. And it said it's not looking for the muscle, it's looking for the nerves that work with muscle.